welcome to Excel 2. For those of you, this is the second half. You've already taken the first half and you're ready to go. For others, this is the first time you've taken one of my online courses. Regardless, welcome. I am glad to have you all here, and we're going to have a lot of fun using Excel the next 8 weeks. I personally love Excel 2 because we get to dive into some more complex formulas, and you could start to see what Excel is capable of. And just know that this is just scratching the surface. There are still several other components to Excel, including macros that we don't go over in this class. But I'm hoping that we expose you enough so that you search out there and start digging into some of those additional units that are available. YouTube is always a great resource if you're wanting to look into how to do something specific. So just know throughout this class and then throughout your future endeavors as a business person or a Excel home use user that YouTube is also a resource for you. But okay, here we go. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour on how this course will work. On the left hand side here, I do try to keep the maps short and simple. I start out there with the announcements. Now, announcements go out to you via email, but just in case you accidentally delete an email or you want quick access to what was sent before, just know that they're always going to be captured here. The lessons folder will be where we do majority of our work. You're always going to start there. I have them labeled by week, so right now you should only see week 1, but that's if you have read the syllabus, and I'll give you a little bit more explanation later. So first you're going to go into the Getting Started link. Now, Getting Started, I have 4 documents. There's a welcome letter, which was sent out via announcement. There is an online syllabus. You will need to save this, view it, print it if you need to, because there is a quiz on the syllabus and course policies. My online course policies is an additional document that gives you further information about this course and how it works as far as online and dropping and adding and all that fun stuff. So make sure you take a look at that as well. And then course roadmap and objectives tells you what exactly we are covering in this class and when. You know, for example, week 1, week 2, and so on. And what unit and what's covered in that unit, the objectives, what you're expected to learn during that week, so you can get a glimpse of what we're going to cover. Once you have viewed the syllabus, then you will see week 1. So if you had not viewed the syllabus, then this folder would be blank for you. So once you've viewed the syllabus, you've actually opened it, then you'll be able to access week 1. So this is this week's folder, week 1. I will always start out the weeks with the assignment summary. This document will give you a layout of the week so you know exactly what to do and when. So I say what we're covering, what you'll be able to do, the specific assignments and when they're due, which is very important, and then rubrics on how I'm going to grade things. So this is how I grade my discussion posts and so on. So it's an important document. Make sure that you read it so that you know exactly what to do and when, and then dive into the content. So for this week I have a video. For those of you that took the first class, it's the same video, just telling you how to be a good online student. Since we do not have an online orientation at this time, I want to make sure that all of you are prepared to take courses online. So this video is very helpful in telling you how to manage your time. So make sure you take a look at it if you haven't already. Then you could take the Blackboard navigation quiz. Now I do have this turned on for 2 attempts, so you can take it, and if you find that you missed some, you can figure them out by surfing around Blackboard and then take it again. You have until Sunday. As for a discussion, you'll go ahead and click on it. Before Friday, I want you to post your introduction. So what you're going to do is going to click Create Thread over here. And then you're going to say a few things about yourself. I say to introduce yourself and share your major, why you're taking this class, and something unique about yourself. I ask for 200 words. No, that's approximate. I'm not, a word counter per se, but I want to make sure you have content. So don't just write one sentence. Make sure that there's some content there and that you're answering my questions. And so you would just type in intro. And then hi, my name is Melody. And so on. Once you have finished, you can go down here and hit submit and it will add it. I'm going to cancel. And then by Sunday, you need to respond to 2 people. So you would click on their link here. So for example, we'll say hi to Mary. You'll read Mary's information here, and then when you're ready, click reply. Type a reply down here. Hi Mary, nice to meet you. Oh, we have the same major, that's so great. And then hit submit. You'll respond to 2 people. And then that is the discussion board assignment. So just so you know, I do have discussion board assignments for almost every week of the class. We do not have discussion assignments during midterm and during final. But it's very important that you participate. It's actually worth quite a bit of points, so don't skip it. Okay, I'm going to go back here into the lesson week 1. And the last thing left to do this week, see, I scrolled all the way to the bottom, is the syllabus and course policies quiz. This one is only set up to take once, so make sure you have your syllabus and course policy document handy so that you can get all the answers right, because you only have one chance, and you have also until Sunday. Majority of the assignments, well, I shouldn't say majority, everything is due Sunday at 11 p.m. That's when I grade, and so anytime it's after Sunday, you will get docked points. Discussions cannot be made up. Everything else can be, but you lose points. So make sure you try to get everything in by Sunday. I do ask that you start posting discussions by Friday, but that's me trying to get you to manage your time. I don't want you to log in and try to do everything at 10 p.m. on Sunday because you won't have time. So just make sure you manage your time accordingly. Now on the left-hand menu, so as you saw, discussion board, you actually jumped there by clicking on the link within the folder. So you don't have to click over here unless you're wanting to take the shortcut, but just know that everything is within the lessons folders and you can jump around from there. To get a hold of me, the best way is email. It's the fastest way to get a hold of me. I check it constantly on my phone. You will see a lot of times you're getting responses and it says sent from my iPhone. I am one of those people, sleep with my phone, carry it everywhere. I will respond as fast as I can. To email me, you click on all instructor users, and then you can type your email and hit submit and it will send it. It will send a copy to you as well, so you have that for your records that you sent something to me. And then finally, you'll click on My Grades to view the grades for the course. Obviously, since I'm an instructor, I don't have grades, but it would list all the assignments that you've done and all the points that you've received, points possible, so that you can constantly track where you are at. I will, at the end of the term, tell you where the point spread is, like it's in my syllabus, and saying, okay, you need this many points to get an A. And so you could easily go into My Grades, look at your points and be like, aha, I'm good, I have an A. Or you could say, ooh, I need to do some extra credit, I'm only 20 points away. So keep an eye on that point value, because I do give multiple opportunities for extra credit within the lessons folders. And that is pretty much it. For, let's see, housekeeping, textbooks. For those of you that this is the first time you're taking my online course, you did not take the first half, we are using the same textbook from the first half of the class. It's just the second half of the book. So we'll start at Unit E. You do need your book by Monday because that's when we'll start digging into the content. No exception. Without the book, you can't do the assignment and you lose 50 points. I do let you use the 2010 book. Just know that I have had students say they get a little stuck sometimes because the versions are slightly different. So just know that you might be creating a little bit more work for yourself using 2010, but it is a possibility. If you need to use the 2010 book, that is fine. The units are identical. It's just the navigation of Excel that changes, and obviously the view, for those of you that use 2010, 2013, looks a lot different. I am excited in this course. We are going to cover the web apps. Very awesome. Can't wait to show you. The 2013 Microsoft Office really works with the cloud and web apps and Windows 8, so it'll be fun to play around with that a little bit so you can see the big picture. And that's pretty much it. I just want to say welcome to the class. I look forward to working with you, and make sure you give me a holler, whether it's an email or a call, if you're getting stuck, because I'm here to help. And good luck.